Hi, thank you for joining Storytime with Miss Simmons. Today we'll be reading Five Little Monkeys Go Shopping. The day before school starts, Mama takes her 5 little monkeys shopping for clothes. Stick with me, she says. Don't go wandering off. We need dresses, pants, shirts, hats, and backpacks for my 5 little monkeys, says Mama. But I only see 4 little monkeys, say the sales lady. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five little monkeys minus 4 monkeys here equal 1 missing monkey. Only 4 little monkeys, says Mama. How can that be? Are we missing 1 little monkey? You 4 little monkeys, try on these clothes while I'll go find her. But stay right here and don't wander off. So the little monkey tries on pants. 2 little monkeys tries on shirts. 1 little monkey tries on a dress. Then 2 of those monkeys are so thirsty, they went to find a water fountain. Off they go, just as Mama comes back with the 1 missing monkey. Now I have 5 little monkeys, says Mama. But I see only 3 little monkeys, says the sale lady. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 little monkeys, Mama gasped. Am I missing more monkeys? How can that be? I need to find those little monkeys, said Mama. You 3 little monkeys, can you try on more clothes? But stay right here and don't wander off. So those 3 little monkeys are looking for more clothes when they see 3 monkey friends. Then one of the little monkeys needs to find the bathroom. Off he goes, just as Mama hurries back with her 2 missing monkeys. Now I have 5 little monkeys, she says. But I see 7 little monkeys, says the sales lady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven little monkeys, Mama gasped. How can that be? We found 3 friends. 2 are the little monkeys, explained. Their papa has gone to look for their little sisters too. Oh no, Mama said. I'm so confused. Am I still missing a monkey? I need to find my 1 little monkey, says Mom. You 7 little monkeys, try on more clothes. Stay right here and don't wander off. But the 4 little monkeys and their 3 little monkey friends got tired of trying on clothes. Let's go help Mama, they say. Off they go, just as Mama hurries back with her 1 missing monkey. The monkey friend's papa and their 2 little sister monkeys. Now we have 10 little monkeys, says Mama. But I see only 3 little monkeys, says the cell lady. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, wails Mama. Am I still missing some monkeys? How can that be? Stay right here, says the cell lady, and don't go wandering off. Then the cell lady make an announcement. Will all the little monkeys who are missing their mamas, papas, little sisters, or brothers, please come to the children's clothing department right now. Lots of little monkeys hurried to the children's clothing department. This is wild. Poor Mama. Now I have 5 little monkeys, says Mama. And I have 5 little monkeys, says the monkey's friend Papa. So we have 10 little monkeys. No, says the cell lady. You have 14 little monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have 4 extra little monkeys. Those 4 belongs to me, cried a grandmama monkey. Now that everyone has found everybody, would anyone like to buy anything, says the sales lady. The 5 little monkeys and Mama buy clothes, pants, hats, shorts, backpacks, and sunglasses. And then they hurry to the car. At last, we finished our shopping, says Mama. And at last, I have all of my 5 little monkeys. No, you have 6, says one little monkey. How can that be? The end. Thank you for joining Storytime with Miss Simmons.